So good day, I'm Jan. So now I would like to start off by sharing my personal motto. So my personal motto is, no matter how hard is it, I will never give up as long as I can and until I succeed. So this motto is guide me and believe me that I should not give up because I will overcome this too until I succeed. So for those who don't me, my full name is John Romel E. Botanas and I'm currently live in Zone 6, Barangay Bugo, Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental. So now, let's go to my ambition and my outlook in my life. So first is my ambition. My ambition is I can finish my school and I can get a job and I can achieve my dream in my life. So I believe that I can achieve this ambition as long as I can to get my goal. So my outlook in my life is stay optimistic and no matter how the circumstance. So I believe maintaining a positive attitude to help me and whenever get too difficult to find solution and also to allow me to get more fully appreciate appreciate things in life. So now now let's go to the my expectation in this subject. So my expectation in this subject is to learn more about this subject and to get more knowledge, and I'm so excited to get more knowledge and to learn more of what is to learn more of what is the topic of this subject, and I hope to gain my skill and knowledge to help me. So that's all. So thank you for watching, and I looking to connecting with you all to learning together to this subject. That's all.